Good day, everyone. Today in this tutorial, we are going to fix mic not working. If you're using Windows 10, Windows 11, and you have a headphone, earphone, microphone connected to your laptop and you're unable to use it, this tutorial is for you. So I'll make sure everything is easy to follow and we will be able to fix it. So if you have connected it and you're unable to use it, the very first thing here is to go to this sound section, do a right click and click on open volume mixer. And please make sure everything is at the right side where you have dragged it. All right. If you have done that, then the most important part is the output device and input device. So you want the input device, like how exactly you want it. So if you see the microphone there, you just need to select because you want to give the input from your microphone. So input should be your microphone and output should be your speakers, right? So you might have done, accidentally you have exchanged vice versa. Just try this and the next thing you can do it again, do a right click and click on sound settings. Here again, you will find the output device right here. And you also need to check the input. So I would always recommend if your microphone is not working, check the input first, then go to the output. Input microphone, output speaker. It should be like that. Okay. Check the volume as well and scroll down and go to more sound settings. This is for especially Windows 11. Now here, go to the playback, see what device do you see the microphone there and go to the recordings. Here under recording, make sure whatever the microphone you're using, do a double click on that, go to levels, check the crisp microphone, how exactly it is, click on OK, and it should be the default. So you can simply do a right click and make it default, right? Set as a default device. And once this is done, restart the computer and do let me know in the comment section that you have fixed your mic on Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer or not. All right. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.